Welcome to K Studio. In this video I'm going to be covering a Figma design. To get started, first we're going to draw out a rectangle. So I'm going to go down here, select rectangle, let's draw something out right here. I'm going to select it, come back to the left hand side here. Let's make this 1440 by 800. Perfect. Okay, so make sure it's at 50% just so you can see it. I zoom to 50%. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this down so it doesn't move. 1 second. Actually, press the H key. Let's bring this to the middle, and then I'm going to lock this thing down. All right. Now, the next thing what I want to do is add a image to this background. So click here, go to image. You're going to select the image and place it in here. Perfect. The image is placed in the rectangle. Now for all of the text, so we're going to start with first on the top. I'm going to select the text tool down here, click here. We are going to type K2 Yoga Studio. Perfect. Right, so now I'm going to bring this up here. Okay, so we have our logo set. Now let's set up the nav bar. Again, I'm going to click the text tool and type home, and let's align this with this. All right, we are aligned. Now what you can do is you can make a duplicate of this. You just hold the Alt key and you see you get that the white pointer. So we're gonna bring this here. Let's do 26 is fine. All right, so we're gonna just click here and let's change this to, and we are gonna name this product. All right, and again we're gonna hold the Alt key and go copy this 26. Perfect. I'm just gonna bring this down a little bit. All right, and it's aligned. Right, and just gonna change this name here from products to feature. Perfect. And we are gonna copy this one more time. Go 26 out and just double click and name this blog. All right. And next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna group this by pressing Control G, and it will group this. Just move this over just a little bit and here. Perfect. All right, so we have our top set. Now let's set up our information in the middle. Okay, let's start with what this is about. This is about mindful breathing and meditation. So we're going to get that, and I'm just gonna copy this and paste this. Press the T key and paste this in here. All right, let's select this. Let's also align this with the logo on the top, and I'm gonna make this 50. So let's come down here, click in here, type 50. All right, perfect. All right, so we have our mindful breathing and meditation, and then we have a quote that's gonna go on the bottom here. Copy that. Also press the T key, click, let's paste that in here. But let's make this font 18. Click in here, type 18. Perfect, all right. 18. All right, and here we're gonna put this on 2 rows, and we're gonna come here. There you go. It's a little bit bigger, I think. Let's go for 24, and then we are also going to align this here. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna add the 2 buttons on the bottom. to add the buttons, I'm going to click the rectangle tool. Okay. And I'm just going to click here. And let's make this 168 by 50. Right. Perfect. Okay, and you see where it says corner radius? Let's make that 224. Alright, now we got this nice button here. Also align this here. Let's put some text in here. And the text first is try now. Let's make this also font 16. And I'm going to change this color, the fill, to black. And I'm just going to grab this and just put this in here. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you align it to the middle. And it says try now. Let's copy this button by holding the Alt key. And we're going to go out right here. And in here, we are going to write sign up. So again, select the T key, type here, sign up. Also, I'm going to change this fill to black. And let's make this in here. Perfect. Let's make sure it's... Alright, there you go. Thank you for watching this video on K2 Studio. Please subscribe to the channel.